Hello Simserites, you have tuned into Simser Radio. कुछ सॉलिड सुनो और मैं यानी कि आरजे अरुषि एक बार फिर से हाजिर हूँ with yet another episode of Simser Radio. Well, अगर आप ये एपिसोड सुबह सुबह कड़क चाय के साथ सुन रहे हैं, then I promise an upbeat start to your day. अगर आधी एनर्जी ड्रेन होने के बाद लंच ब्रेक में सुन रहे हैं, तो मैं नेक्स्ट हाफ में कॉलेज के इंटरेस्टिंग होने की गारंटी तो नहीं ले रही हूँ, बट आई विल मेक श्योर दैट यू फील रिफ्रेश्ड आफ्टर लिसनिंग टू इट. और अगर आप दिन भर के रिगरस स्केड्यूल से थकने के बाद रात के सन्नाटे में रेडियो सुन रहे हैं, then you will be relaxed by listening to the upcoming lovely songs. यूँ तो मैं ज्यादा बोलती नहीं हूँ, बट क्या करूँ, there's so much to talk about. So, हम बातें बहुत सारी करेंगे, but इस शॉर्ट म्यूजिकल ब्रेक के बाद. Till then, stay tuned to Simser Radio. कुछ सॉलिड सुनो.
The club isn't the best place to find the lovers, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends sat at the table doing shots, tripping fast, and then we talk slow. And you come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop it, and the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And now I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. And last night you were in my room. And now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with your body.
Preparations for cleanliness drive, dance practices in TT room, intense discussions in night mess, people working on creatives till 3 a.m. in the morning, and whatnot. So, for the last few weeks, we all were on our toes 24/7. और होते भी क्यों नहीं? After all, it was our very own annual festival, Melange 2017. In a nutshell, every Simserite worked as hard as they can to make this fest a big hit. और वो कहते हैं ना, work hard, party harder. And I'm sure you all must have enjoyed dancing to the kick-ass beats of Nuclear.
इन गलियों का मैं राजा, कभी गलियों में तू आजा. सब शूटर मेरे जंगली, छोटे शक्ल पे मत जाना. अगर थोड़ा भी तू नकली, मेरे बगल में मत आना. अगर पकड़ में ना आए तो फिर टक्कर से निशाना. छोटे पंडरी पंडर है, हंटरी हंटर है. तू अंदर ही खंडर है. सब अंदर है, कैसे बोल हम डर है. किधर बोल गोंदर है, गर्मी तो भर कर है. राइम मेरा शेर का है लाफा, वाली फ्लो, हर शब्द है धमाका. यूके वाले सुन के बोले भाई तू है प्रॉपर. गली गैंग बोले तो बॉयज फ्रॉम द नाका. बोले तो बॉयज फ्रॉम द नाका. शेर का ये लाफा, पूरे न्यूक्लियर धमाका. गली गैंग बोले तो बॉयज फ्रॉम द नाका.
This was not all. How can we all forget the most awaited prom night?
गोरी 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 गोरी, कभी कभी कहीं कहीं चोरी चोरी.
Well, everyone came clad in their best attire. Girls in their beautiful gowns and boys sharply dressed in their suits. Though that's a different thing, that's just like any other event. In the end, everyone was busy dancing on Punjabi songs.
चढ़दी जवानी तेरा गोरा गोरा रंग नी, गोरा गोरा रंग करे मित्रा नु तंग नी. गोरी बीनी विच नी, गोरी बीनी विच, गोरी बीनी विच काली वंग छणके ही मित्रा दी जान ते बने. जदों निकले हाय नी, जदों निकले पटोला बन के मित्रा दी जान ते बने. जदों निकले पटोला बन के.
Welcome back, friends. So, we talked a lot about dance and party, but how can we forget about all the fun that we had in other events? I must say, Simser में वो 3 दिन were extremely happening. As we all know, Melange 2017 brought to the table some amazing events like fashion show, dance competition, street plays and war of bands. और in cultural events के साथ-साथ, we also got to enjoy various case study competitions, quizzes and a plethora of events organized by various student-driven committees.
देखे जरा किसमें कितना है दम जम के रखना कदम मेरे साथिया देखे जरा.
But it was not only the events that we enjoyed. We also had a lot of stalls on campus which served lip-smacking food. और ये किसने कहा that there was no free lunch? All of us literally had free lunch from one of our stalls. एकदम मुफ्त. और यही नहीं, paintball and zorbing ball added the element of adventure and fun. Last but not the least, the super amazing stand-up comedy show. और मैं ये इसलिए नहीं बोल रही हूँ because it was my personal favorite. But मैं इसलिए कह रही हूँ because this event actually saw a jam-packed auditorium where people laughed their heart out. यूँ तो मैं ज़्यादा बोलती नहीं हूँ, but क्या करूँ? Melange था ही इतना eventful. So there's a lot more to catch up, but after this peppy song, till then stay tuned and enjoy this amazing song.
दरवाजे को कुंडी मारो कोई ना बच के जाने पाए डीजे को समझा दो म्यूजिक गलती से भी रुक ना जाए दगा जो फील करे वो जाके दो रेड बुल गटक ले जिसको डांस नहीं करना वो जाके अपनी भैंस चराए
बस आज की रात है कल से वही से अपे हैं जी भर के नाच लो ना घर वाले ना मापे हैं क्लब पे अपना राज है डरने की क्या बात है ये तो बस शुरुआत है
अरे अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है
Work, check. Party, check. Food, check. But in the end, it all boils down to learning. हम लोग इवेंट्स मैनेज और कंडक्ट करने में इतने बिजी रहते हैं कि हम ये रियलाइज ही नहीं कर पाते that unknowingly we are learning a lot in the process. And the best part is, we do not only learn by getting exposed to the work, but also by listening to people who come from various walks of life. In that case, we all were lucky enough to get some amazing speakers on board. One of them being Mr. A. Velumani, whose speech was so moving and inspiring that we all got goosebumps and we could not resist ourselves from giving him a standing ovation. Well, talking about inspiration, today we have one inspiring person with us. Not so soon. Bataungi, but after a melodious song. This song is dedicated by Sonal Sudeep of PTDM HR to someone special. I hope that we get to know this someone special soon, Sonal.
पहली नजर में कैसा जादू कर दिया तेरा बन बैठा है मेरा जिया जाने क्या होगा क्या पता इस पल को मिलके आज ही ले जरा मैं हूँ यहाँ तू है यहाँ मेरी बाहों में आ भी जा ओ जा रे जा दोनों जहां मेरी बाहों में आ भूल जा
हाय ऑल वेलकम टू मिलांज 2017। मैं हूँ आरजे रेशमा और मैं एक एसिड अटैक सर्वाइवर हूँ। थैंक्स टू मिलांज आज मेरा आरजे बनने का सपना पूरा हो रहा है। पिछले 3 दिनों में वी हैड स्टार मीट्स, वर्कशॉप्स, कॉन्सर्ट्स और बहुत सारी मज़ेदार चीज़ें। बाय द वे मुझे आरजे इसलिए बनना है ताकि मैं हर लड़की की आवाज़ बन सकूं। अगर आप मुझे हायर करना चाहते हैं तो लॉग ऑन कीजिए makelovenotScars.org पर। वहां आपको मेरी और मेरी जैसी सर्वाइवर की सारी जानकारी मिल जाएगी। थैंक यू।
So, this was Reshma, who is the face of Milan's CSR partner, Make Love Not Scars. We are glad that you joined us in this episode, Reshma. This undying spirit and never giving up attitude that you showcase is commendable and very inspirational. So, Simsarites, The next song is the personal favorite of our very own special RJ, Reshma.
You know the bed feels warmer, sleeping here alone. You know I dream in color and do the things I want. You think you got the best of me, think you've had the last laugh, bet you think that everything good is gone. Think you left me broken down, think that I'll come running back. Baby, you don't know me 'cause you're dead wrong. What doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Stand a little taller. Doesn't mean I'm lonely when I'm alone. What doesn't kill you.
Welcome back. Now it's time for Simsar Ki Thasu Khabrein. 12th Simsar Global Marketing Conference was successfully organized by Interface Committee of Simsar. This was a 3 days long event which hosted stalwarts like Dr. A. Parsuraman. Moreover, there were interesting workshops on topics like cutting-edge marketing based on service quality and text mining. After going through rigorous licensing procedure and months of hard work, ESL came up with one of its most coveted events, TEDx Somaya Vidyavihar, which was conducted on 4th of March. It was indeed a pleasure to attend it. PGDM Marketing Communications Batch successfully organized MarkWest on 3rd and 4th of March. It was one-of-a-kind marketing communications festival which hosted who's and who of the industry. On 11th and 12th March, Guest Lecture Committee, in association with Bombay Stock Exchange, is conducting a 2-day workshop on the overview of financial markets and Indian capital markets. So, this was our short stint with the news. Coming up next is a beautiful song dedicated to someone special again by Dharmit Zaveri of MMS First Year. I wonder ये सबके someone special वाले secrets हमें कब पता लगेंगे? Anyways, on your command, Dharmit.
कहते हैं खुदा ने इस जहां में सभी के लिए किसी ना किसी को है बनाया, हर किसी के लिए तेरा मिलना है उस रब का इशारा, मानो मुझको बनाया तेरे जैसे ही किसी के लिए। कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता, कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता, कैसे हम जाने हमें क्या पता।
So, that's all for today, friends. This is Arushi signing off. I hope you enjoyed listening to us. Hasta la vista. Take care and enjoy this last song of the episode, which is being dedicated to our very own Moj, the official band of KJ Simsar. From one of their vocalists, Venkatesh Aka Venki from PGDMRM. It is called the boat song. Enjoy it and stay tuned to Simsar Radio. Kuch solid suno.
പാതിരാപ്പൂ വേണം ആതിരാരാവ് വേണം, പാതിരാപ്പൂ വേണം ആതിരാരാവ് വേണം, പാടിക്കണിക്കുവാനായി ആടിമാർ വേണം, തുഴക്കാരം